y'all, welcome back. It is your fave blue haired Betty, and today I'm doing a commission piece. It is just a 12 by 12 inch, so it's gonna be super quick. This piece is for commissions, so I have commissions open. If you're seeing this, hit me up for commissions because I love commissions. And for this one, my client had asked them what they would like, and they literally just said blue, and then gave me free range to do everything else. So I just grabbed her Instagram, and she has a candle business, and the candles are super cute. Oh, she has this one candle that she sells, and you know those candles that are like of a woman's body? So she has like one of those. So what I'm thinking is I'm doing an all black background, and then I am going to do like flames, like blue flames. So I have these three blues that I will be using. These three blues I'll be using to try and make flames, and then I'm gonna do the candle in this really light blue. And then I have this, it's like a blue, but it's kind of glittery. It's like a glossy, glittery type blue that really complements the light blue. And I'll use those two to make the body of the candle. Like the body, the actual candle that looks like a body. You understand what I'm saying? That is the plan. Hope this comes out. Hope she likes it. I didn't even consult her. I was like, yep, I know what I'm doing. And she's like, okay. So I feel like she'll like it. Like, it is a very cute concept, I think. This is even the Donda album cover. I was like, I should paint the Donda album cover. And look, I am, aren't I? And this is basically it, is it not? So artistic. Creative. This blue is starting to look purple. I've been working with so much purple lately. Oh my gosh. I feel like every commission I've got, purple. And I was like, girls, purple is not that good of a color. But I will say, every time I work with purple, absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. So let me try and blend this out. Nothing like how I need it to look. But you know what? We're gonna make it rock. Okay, so this is what came out. Nothing how I wanted it to look, which is okay. I'm just gonna let it ride. So I'm gonna say, I'm gonna make the titties right about here. Okay, so those are the titties. This is kind of like her bump off. She has a neck. Definitely do that in there. Look, she kind of just has shoulders, big old booty. Maybe I should have done the drawing of the girl first and then did the background, but your girl was not thinking. How do I feel? I kind of like it. I don't even really want to move it around. I don't know, can you see what I'm trying to do here? I think you can see it. I'm wondering if I should get rid of the black background. I don't know, I kind of like it. But at the same time, I'm thinking maybe I should just make the background, all of this background color blue. Like, you know what I mean? I feel like you can still see the body, which I love. Like titties, arms, neck. I think the bum part, I don't know if I really like this part. Or the wick. I don't know. What do you think? Should I go back in and try to do the body? I don't like it. Something's telling me it's missing something. I don't know what. What do you guys think? Do you see the candle? I think it looks so cool on camera. Maybe I should go in with the white. I'm gonna try a thing I've never tried before. The way I feel like I'm in a BBL surgery right now. Okay, so this is the dry result. It is so pretty. I really like it. I actually really like it. Like, the body looks like a candle, and because I used white acrylic paint, but I didn't mix it to make it fluid. I just used it straight out of the bottle, which I don't do, and it like added so much texture to it. It looks like actual melted wax. And you know what? I think the flames don't look that bad in the background. Like, it's so pretty. The contrast of the black makes it look amazing. I freaking love it. Like, what the hell? I like it. And she likes it too. I showed her the red version, so yeah.